Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you my new Lumary smart outlets. These come with Type B and Type C USBs also. So right here is the outlet that it comes with. It comes with 4 in a pack, the one I bought. Here's the outlets on top and bottom. Got regular USB and then the Type C. In the middle, this is the icon for the Wi-Fi. It will tell you if it's connecting, if it's paired, if it's on or off. Plus you can manually click it to turn on and off the outlet. On the back, you can see the screws on either side. These you unscrew, stab the wire into these holes in the back, and then you clamp it tight again by tightening that screw. On the bottom is the ground screw. Unscrew that ground screw, wrap your ground around it, and then tighten it up. Over here is the specifications and information about it. It's the model number L-WOSU100. It's the smart wall outlet with Type A and Type C. Over here is the specifications. It's got maximum 10 amps, 15 amp total, and it's got a maximum of 2.1 amps for the USB. Right? It's a little low for Type C, I think, but let's go set up and let's see how this works. So right here we can see it's mounted in the wall. Then once it's mounted, you gotta set it up. So download the Smart Life app, and once you open the app and create an account, click the plus icon on the top right, and then you will search for the outlet, or it might find it automatically. So over here you can see it already found it automatically, so you just need to click the add in order to add it to my account. So I'm gonna go do that. And then you gotta put in your Wi-Fi username and password, then hit enter, and then you'll see it is being added. So you can see that blue icon is spinning while it adds it to my account. So once the app is installed, you could click, once the device is installed, you could click it, and you can see it's got 3 virtual switches here. So you can see this will turn off the top outlet, turn off the bottom, and this will turn off the USB. So if you look at it over here, we could, if we turn them all off, then the light will turn off. If you turn any of them on, the light will turn on. So you can't tell which of the 3 is on or off. You can only tell if they're all on or all off, but you still get individual control with the app. You could rename these to whatever you want, and you could also rename the main switch to whatever you want, and then you could connect it with your Google Home or Alexa in order to get voice control for controlling them. You can set timers and automations. You just click on the Scene tab or the Smart tab to set up the automations that you want. So you click on Scene. Over here you can see all the automations that I have already set up. But just a quick, you could do a tap to run when weather changes, when location changes, schedule, device status changes, change alarm mode, or when alarm is triggered. So for example, if tap to run, then turn off outlet. Or you could do when schedule, every day at a certain time, you could turn off the outlet. Or you could do when weather changes, so you could do sunrise, sunset, or based on the temperature, you can control the outlet. So this is the Lumary Smart Wi-Fi switch with a USB-A and Type C. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll try to answer your questions. Have a great day.